Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we're going to talk about some newly introduced products that are more environmentally friendly weed killers. These products offer safe alternatives to use around your yard and garden to kill or control many weeds and grasses. Ortho Ground Clear Weed and Grass Killer is OMRI certified for organic gardening. It kills all types of weeds that are green and actively growing. The active ingredient in this product is a naturally occurring fatty acid found in a variety of plants and animals. This product only affects the plant tissues that it comes in contact with. That is, it does not move to other areas of the plant, so a good spray coverage of the entire weed is very important. Once it contacts plant tissue, it disrupts the plant cell membranes and lowers the pH, causing plant cell death within minutes of application. Natria Grass and Weed Control is another new herbicide that is tough on weeds and easy on the environment. Active ingredients include ammoniated soap of fatty acids, along with a plant growth regulator and herbicide that acts to inhibit cell division. This inhibitor gets to the roots and disrupts their growth as well. Be sure to cover the entire leaf surface to get the best results. For use on patios, driveways, sidewalks, and flower beds with all natural organic ingredients. Protect plants that you want to keep by not allowing any spray to get on their leaves. Bonide Burnout Fast-Acting Weed and Grass Killer is another one of our all-natural herbicides. The active ingredients in this product is citric acid and clove oil. The citric acid strips away the waxy coating that protects the leaf surface, and the clove oil clogs all the pores to suffocate the plant. Always be sure to protect the plants that you want to keep by not allowing the spray to contact them. Focus spray directly onto the weed's leaf surfaces and completely cover the unwanted plant with the spray. Best results will be when weeds are young and actively growing. More mature growth or new seedlings that pop up will take additional applications. These products are non-systemic and do not react in the soil. They are people and pet safe when used as directed, so always read the label instructions before using. For more information on these products, visit us at any of our Star Nursery locations, at starnursery.com, or on our free app for your phone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.